riverboat journey of several days can reveal Brazil in its most natural form. Upstream on the Rio Negro, one of this region's main rivers, into an immense jungle area. A journey into the mysterious world of the Amazon. An expedition along the Amazon by boat and into the dense rainforests is one of the most exciting adventures that one can experience. This is a journey into a tropical wonder world to which civilization has still not totally encroached. We begin in Manaus, capital city of the Brazilian state of Amazonas, which lies on the banks of the Rio Negro and is completely surrounded by impenetrable forest. The word Amazonas refers to the region's river system. A unified system of more than 1,100 tributaries which supply the Amazonas with rain and melted snow and ice from the surrounding mountainous terrain. Streams, dense jungle, and a variety of climatic zones form a unified whole from the Peruvian Andes to the Brazilian Delta in the Atlantic. The Amazonas provides nearly a fifth of the volume of fresh water that supplies the world's oceans, 12 times more than the Mississippi. Our boat's pilot skillfully steers the small vessel among the dense trees of a flooded river island. Frequently submerged for many months of the year, the trees continue to grow beneath the water. The visible stumps of perished trees are few and far between. The varied annual rainfall and gentle slopes often lead to dramatic but predictable changes in water level. Monkeys keep an eye out for possible intruders in the endless rainforest that amazingly actually regulates the world's climate, yet is today seriously threatened by mankind. The diverse ecology here is a habitat for millions of plants and much as yet undiscovered wildlife. Due to the deforestation of the rainforest, man is gradually destroying this unique landscape. In just 1 hectare of this primeval jungle grows 60 varieties of trees. This journey brings to mind the first Europeans who ventured here, the Spanish and most notably the Portuguese, who in 1638 colonized the nearby upstream land for Portugal. This is certainly an atmospheric voyage of discovery. The boat is steered through a kind of canal, seemingly endless waterways with dense forest on both sides, which completely cover the islands. The journey upstream continues. From the pilot's bridge, the view is totally different. This is where the best route is decided. Only from the air is it possible to distinguish the extensive labyrinth of waterways between the islands, which are often submerged right up to the treetops. we have reached the Anavilhanas Archipelago, the largest freshwater archipelago on Earth. A massive complex of 350 islands located in the Rio Negro, about 80 kilometers west of Manaus. The archipelago has been here since the last ice age. At that time, the water level sank within the whole of the Amazon basin, and the resultant deposits formed solid islands. Slowly, late afternoon is transformed into early evening. The green of the jungle becomes a visual paradise, at least for us, as temporary visitors. Great cloud formations and fascinating reflections in the water allow us to momentarily forget that we are, in fact, in the middle of a dangerous wilderness. Once again, the next morning awakens to the overwhelming sound of nature, and the enchanted fairy tale landscape begins yet another day. Famous European explorers discovered the Emerald Forest. Frenchman Comte de Mines documented the area in 1743. And in 1800, Alexander von Humboldt charted the flow of the river. British scientists recorded the region's wealth of flora and fauna. Henry Bates discovered more than 15,000 forms of animal life, while botanist Richard Spruce documented 7,000 new species of plant life. Plateaux of crystalline rocks form the north and south of the Amazon basin, while the west is bordered by the Andes. Its 70 million year history began with the breakup of the supercontinent of Gondwana, which today consists of Africa and South America. Here, the world's largest tropical rainforest grows, and from it flows the planet's mightiest river. Occasionally, we encounter a number of curious apes who wander the riverbanks. As the name suggests, the water around the Rio Negro is black. The color is due to the peat and humus particles that the river carries from the swamplands. Likewise, white water, such as that of Lago Yanure, floods to this point during the rainy season and provides the huge blossoms of the Amazonian water lily with liquid nourishment. Downstream, close to Manaus, the black water of the Rio Negro meets up with the flow of the creamy-colored Rio Solimões. After just a few kilometers, the two rivers combine to form the Amazonias. The long system of waterways has come to an end, and the mighty Amazon flows towards the Atlantic Ocean. This is where our journey of discovery on the Rio Negro has reached its amazing conclusion.